What happened? Demand of pound increase. Why? Due to increase in US inflation. Right? But what happened to the supply of pound? Who hold or which currency? Okay, which nationals have more, or which nationals are inclined to have more pounds? UK. Sorry, UK. So UK are supplying pound over there to buy US goods? No, because US goods are more expensive to UK citizens. So here we go. Supply is to the left. So we have a new equilibrium here. The new equilibrium, we denote it by a little blue here. What happened here? As compared to old, this is the new price, the new quantity of pound. So if we talk about the previous one we have here quantity of pound, and this was the price. The price is called exchange rate. So that's why increase in the exchange rate, of pound. So exchange rate, which is the price of the pound, increase, and the quantity that are available in the US for pound decreases. Understand? So let's have a very smart picture here. You see, the new equilibrium is demand increase because US people in the US, this is all in the US, right? All in the US. And we are talking about the pound. So many students are confused, since we are buying in US, so why don't? So this is the value of US dollar in pounds. Sorry, this is the value of pound in US dollar, right? Because you are buying, as a US citizen, you are buying UK goods. So you need to convert your dollars into US. So you are demanding more of their products since you need to pay back in pounds. So you're demanding their pound as well. So in US, pound value appreciate. So who supply the pound? UK citizen. So when you have more money, your goods are more expensive to UK citizens, so they are not supplying or they are not buying from you. All right, so supply of pound decreases. So that's what happened here. We have whole equilibrium. We have new we have new price here as well. So pound increases from 1.55 US dollar to $1.57. Guys, you understand? Tiffany?
Yeah.
Lancelot?
Yes.
Yeah.
CD? Rujue? Tara? Mina?
Yes.
Jan? Rujue?
Yes.
Okay, sorry about that. Now, let's move forward. So this was the first determination of exchange rate movement. So that factors, the factors that affect the exchange rate movement or price movement of the currency. Price of the currency is called exchange rate. Now, second one is relative interest rates. What do we mean by that? Relative or differential interest rates, which means this is okay. I'll also pound. So if we have two countries, US and UK. UK currency is pound, US currency is dollar, and right now you are in US. So what happened? Interest rate in US rises as compared to UK. Relative mean, for example, here is 5%, then maybe here is 7%. What did we learn in our previous lectures? in international flow of funds, money will transfer from low interest rate country to high interest rate country. So people in UK will want to earn more, so they will be desperate to buy desperate to buy deposits in US dollar. What do we mean by buy deposits? Which means they want to keep their money with the US banks so that they can earn higher interest, right? So they are desperate to buy. So what happens? They are creating, here we go. Let's now read that. Increase in US rates leads to increased demand for US deposits. So they want to, sorry about the strain. Okay, now increase in US rates leads to increase in the demand for US deposits and a decrease in demand for foreign deposits, right? So what happened here? In US, the UK people want to supply more pounds to convert to the US, all right? US dollar. So leading to an increase in demand for dollars and increase in exchange rate of dollars. So increase in demand for dollar means decrease in demand for pound. Because if we are making a market here for pound, so what happened here? If this is the normal exchange rate of pound, this is the quantity of pound available in the market. So what happened? In US, interest rate rises. Now, increase in US rates lead to increase in demand for US deposit and a decrease in demand for foreign deposits. Decrease in demand for foreign. So which means leading to increase in demand for dollars. Increase in demand for dollar means decrease in demand for pound. So demand decreases and what happened for supply? Supply increases. Why? Because more, this is pound. So many students confuse dollar with pound. So remember, that's why I'm focusing here more on pound, because we are making the market for prediction of pound currency movement. So UK will supply more pound because they want to capitalize this higher interest rate. So they supply their more pound to convert into dollars. So supply increases. So what happened here? Price of pound will decrease, which means increase in dollar. So that's what I have written here, leading to an increase in demand for dollars and an increased exchange rate for dollar. Dollar exchange rate rises, pound exchange rate decreases. All right. So if you see here, that was the original 1.55. And now what happened here? We have a new equilibrium. And what happened? This is the value of pound. Value of pound decreases, which means value of dollar increases. So you need to be very careful which currency you are talking about, which price of the currency you are talking about. So Tiffany, Lancelot, PD, Oliver, Taramina, ETHO,
Yeah.
Rujue, understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. If we're talking about pound, who supply pound? If we're talking about US dollar, who supply US dollar? US, because currency of the dollar is for US. If we're talking about yuan, who supply yuan? Or who supply yen? And who supply yuan? China. So demand for yuan increases if currency of the yuan down, then it looks more cheaper to buy from China.